In today's video, I will show you how to download an Audible book from the library online. First, open the Audible app. Go to your library if you have already bought any books. Otherwise, first buy the book you want to listen to. In the library, you have a few options to download the audiobook. First, you can simply tap on the book you would like to download, and the process will start. Otherwise, you can click on the three dots beside the book title and then click on Download. Now you can listen to your book even offline. If you want to download the audio file itself, you should go to the audible.com website. Log into your account, go to the library, and click Download. As you can see, the downloading process has started. Now you can use the downloaded file anywhere. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to help me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.